Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how I clean my Herman Miller Embody Chair. I've had this chair for quite a while now. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the current condition of the chair to start. It has a lot of dust collected over a couple of years. Accumulation of dust particles, various particles like hair, dead skin, clothing, lint, dog hair. My butt's been sitting on it for many years and I haven't given a good clean, especially in the crevices here you can see. And so it may not look like much, but I can bet you you cannot see a lot of the things here. And so these are the tools I recommend. Definitely need a leaf blower, Clorox disinfectant wipes, and a strong vacuum cleaner. So 3 things: leaf blower, disinfectant wipes, and a vacuum cleaner. I also have electric toothbrush, lint roller, and compressed air. I didn't use it too much, so just the 3 I mentioned previously is what you'll need. So starting with the leaf blower, it gets rid of a lot of debris. No doubt the best, if any, option is to use a leaf blower. It's the best tool, I think, to clean this dirty chair. And I spent a good 10 minutes to 15 minutes just blowing it on the high max setting, and you can see all that dust coming out of that chair. Looks kinda dirty. And I'm also wearing the Bose QC45 headphones with the noise cancelling on, so it doesn't hurt my ears when using this leaf blower, and I can use it way longer. Be okay with the long leaf blowing sound. Make sure you dust the bottom of the chair as well. You can see that when you go through the bottom going up, there's some dust there to be let go. And so not just from the top down, but from the bottom up. Do a good job with this, that way when you go to the next step, you don't have to do much. However, there is still a lot of dirt that doesn't come off with the leaf blower, and I'll show that in the next step. So the next thing you're going to need is the vacuum cleaner. And here I use the handheld vacuum cleaner, the Dyson V15. And I have the carpet attachment on. The vacuum cleaner, this will take the smaller, finer dust that we could not get with the leaf blower. It's very important to use a vacuum cleaner also, kind of like doing a carpet. And here's a quick look at the finer particles that got picked up. It's amazing how much the leaf blower could not get. And I definitely recommend this. So leaf blower, vacuum cleaner, and Clorox disinfectant wipes. Now it's up to you how much time you want to spend doing the leaf blower and the vacuum if you're satisfied with how clean it is. Personally, I wanted to give it a deeper clean. I just didn't have the time or the patience to do this. So this is what I could do in the meantime, and I think it did a pretty good job. After you give it a good vacuum and a good leaf blowing, take your Clorox wipes, and you can see here I wiped on the sides of the chair where the extender comes out for the legs. This is good so that it's smoother when you're pulling out the extension. You also want to extend your armrest so that you can get to that whole tube. On the back of the chair, there's this area crevice where a lot of dust does build up, and the leaf blower didn't get too much of it, so use your wipes there. The Clorox wipes gets rid of the scuffs and marks that the chair has to make it look more new. My chair is white, so this really gives it a finishing shine. And here's just where you gotta use your eyes and go through every crevice, nook and cranny you can see. And this is just how meticulous you have to be. You also see that using 3 wipes, it's still a little bit dirty. It has a lot of black marks on it. Total, I spent about 40 minutes doing the best I could. You could spend more time washing the chair with warm water, and I'm sure that warm water would get you way more gunk out of the fabric. And so it really depends how much time you want to put into this. This is just a quick rundown of how I clean my chair, and this gives me a sort of sense that I'm sitting on a cleaner chair, and so maybe you could sit naked on your chair. That's a little too much information. Thank you guys for watching. And with that said, let me know if you have any other tips or ideas on how to clean the Embody chair. I spent about 40 minutes doing the best I could, and I'll post some pictures here to show what the outcome looked like. That's a quick rundown on how I clean my chair. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you did, and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.